Okay guys, let's continue. If you haven't seen the previous video on this channel, please go to the video and see to understand this one. So this is the second part of a complete tutorial that I pretend to show you about this broker. Okay, we already have a practice account and we need to use this account to learn everything about Iqoption. Okay, so stay there, and now let's talk about this site. Guys, this is the field for the amount. If I want to trade $2, I need to see that the profit that this pair is offering right now is 87%. So if I make a trade, let's make a trade just for you to see. Let's make an investment. Let's suppose that the price is gonna be higher than this price in 37 seconds. Okay, let's go there. We enter a trade, our first trade. If we won, if we win this trade, we will win this amount, and we can see here the expiration line. We can see here the left time, which is 5 seconds, 4 seconds for our trade to be closed, and we won the trade, guys. We won the trade. We won this investment. We invest $2 to win 1.74. As simple as that. This is binary options, guys. This is binary options. As simple as that. Okay, we already have an indicator here, which is Bollinger Bands. We will delete that indicator to later on. I will explain to you later on about all indicators and how we can use them. But I hope you understood how I made this trade. And as you could see here, I have my profit on my balance. It happens exactly the same on a real account. On my real account that we will see later on. Okay guys, so every time that we think the price is going up, we press this button. This higher button is for call option. To buy any pairs. This lower button is for put option. To sell option. So if you go here, we are selling an option. Okay? If we win that option, we will win the 87% of our investment. If our investment is 10, I would win 8.70. Okay? It's really simple, guys. It's really simple. But remember the time, expiration time. One video I will talk only about expiration time because it's really important. Hey, we can see here pop-ups. You have made it twice. Grab your profit on real account. Oh, it's not the moment yet. It's not the moment. Okay? But something else that I want to explain to you this video is okay, if we choose this one, we're choosing that our trade need to close 5 minutes and 11 seconds. It's really simple. Okay, something else I want to show you is about these pairs. We can choose our assets here on this option. Here on this option, we have binary, binaries, all of these options are active. We can see the active pairs at this moment and the profit that they are offering. Digital, we see here different pairs, more pairs. Digital is almost the same than binary. Okay, forex, stock, crypto, these markets are closed because it's weekend. On weekend they don't work on weekend, so we will see all of them later on. We have crypto, which is open. We have Bitcoin, Omsego, all cryptocurrency. Later on we will see them. So guys, we can see here the remaining time on this place. Okay, another option that we have here is, let me show you something, is on the setting. If we go to setting, we can change our language. For example, we can change the appearance. We can change it to a darkest one, or darkest, or white one. Okay, this is my preferred. Okay, let's see. We can leave everything here with the default setting, but it's up to you. Okay, without confirmation, no, it's up to you too. Later on you will see how to open an account with confirmation. Shortcut for the keyboard, verification, and something very important that I want to show you is to hide the balance sometime, just to avoid some psychological effects. We can hide the balance. Okay, it's an option that you have, but it's up to you again. Okay guys, let me go back to this point. If we want to trade another pair besides this one, we just need to click on over it, and we will have a new chart about this pair. Okay, let's suppose that we want to open this one too. We can open all of them. We can open anyone that we want to analyze and invest. We can choose them from the list, from this list. Okay. I don't want this video to be so long, so I think that's it for today. But please wait the third part of this video. The third part I will upload it sooner.